In this question, you have to identify the germ layers which contribute to the formation of the amnion of mammalian embryo. Option A, ectoderm and mesoderm. In mammals, the amnion is derived from the two layers, the ectoderm, that is the outermost germ layer, and the mesoderm, that is the middle germ layer. The ectoderm forms the outer layer of the amnion, while the mesoderm provides the supportive tissue beneath it. Thus, it is the correct option. Option B, endoderm and mesoderm. Though mesoderm is correct, but the endoderm does not contribute to the formation of the amnion. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, ectoderm and endoderm. While endoderm is involved in the formation of amnion, but endoderm is not. Hence, it is also incorrect. Option D, mesoderm and trophoblast. It is also incorrect because the trophoblast is the outer layer of the cells that forms the part of the placenta and not the amnion, though mesoderm is correct.